So can we put this permanent site in Ango Bala? If I can go Remala, a rebel model, I'm ready to this site. So it's a good development. So Onobra support can we get in achieve what they do able. Onobra, he believe in the love for Zion ministry because okay, Rulam Wiga Bagosi, my billionaires, my millionaires, and when I Zion, Ubeki go see that in the love for ya by Ibabuta Catapella Gaba Corona Gaga. Can we move on this side? I make clear and someone with the kind of business background.
This man you are seeing on this video took his entire team to Ngopala to work freely on the Zion Ministry new permanent site. You know, they have been working there without requesting for anything. When I said working, they put on caterpillar in clearing those glasses there, making sure that, according to him, that their target is to clear over 100 plots of land. And you can see him on the video saying that ever since they brought down Zion Ministry to Ngopala, that the kind of sales Orego since then, they will make him here in his entire life. It's one of the things that motivated him after calling on the prophet to say, Onyemako is help the ministry. Kafuna so chalungo bala. Ore geti caterpillar. Orundi ge jiaka. Orundi ge abata. Orundi ye maintain. Habia contribute to their little effort to support the ministry. After calling those announcements from the prophet, Ayamiroji follow his teams where Uchena got back without requesting for anything. Like, hey, Bidolu since yesterday there. I must say it's really commendable. You know, just watch the full video and hear from him, and make sure you share after watching. Farmers real estate, beautiful. I think that one day, our new site now, Ngopala here. So I am now on behalf of our spiritual director, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Kebiko, and when they say I told her, they hear Prophet Ebuka Obi na masse, they hear Zion ministry na masse. Young Ronia, we can capable. Ebianya Kariko Tua, na Ipusubto, na Timia. Name I free. It is 100% free. I was so because I will not say Hanyaka. There is a lot of it with a caterpillar, it with a bulldozer. It got a Pura Bakuro, Tadarora Oro. I would hang in as I am when I am with you. When I try, when I try, I get up tally. So when I know see Kesibiko, they hear Prophet Ebuka Obi na them man. I because I have no one got a man no. Ya both because I'm not one Igbo. I get married there. Our boss say, I get married there. I took a 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira. One carry too big, one carry too small. It can go a long way. Now the level I cannot go the whole. It's just say I had it declared the whole place. They were managing Hagaro. So now I'm like what you put no because now. When you do the here in the neighbor, more especially Zionite, Mandeno abroad, Mandeno home ever. So we him with the what why no rain and just he got additionally from what I just said.
In the work,
Thank you, sir.
I and my team, Farmers Real Estate. I will say Obaruru na before dinner a man a bubbling around it was Ibuzo Christ. And I talk I will break it. I got to the next level. So I decided kill you about free. And I told Ibuzo register. I was #1. Buzo baby on this site. So Obi die Togila and everybody smiling. And again by Bidrona, miracle a lot of business have been coming for us.
Wow.
More contract, more business. So miracle me we're gonna die. So I remember encourage you can do so baby nyaka. Get your Chineke to take it. Oh, now this is a miracle site. We want to go a miracle site because can we remember this side by make clear and someone with the kind of business background. So I encourage people can have a nyaka. You man like our daddy. I could rule on one of Igbo land. Here was the opportunity to approve where go see the love. Then get over the Zion minister butela because of the reason. Okay, we put this permanent site in Angopala. If I came when Muko Remala, a rebel model I'm ready to where this site Brazil is a good development. So honorable support can we get him achieve more contract, more business. So miracle me we're gonna die. So I'm make encourage can do so Bebanyaka. Get your Kachineke Chiteki. Oh now this is a miracle site. We wanna go a miracle site because can we be this side by make clear and some the kind of business background. So I'm encourage people can have Bebanyaka. You man like our daddy. I could rule on one of Igbo land. Here was the opportunity to approve where go see the love. Then get over the Zion minister butela because of the reason. Okay, we put this permanent site in Angopala. If I came when Muko Remala, a rebel model I'm ready to where this site Brazil is a good development. So honorable support can we get him achieve what they do able. Honorable he believe in the love for Zion minister because okay, rule we got go see my billionaires, my millionaires and when Zion. We go see that in love for ya. By Ibe Abute Catapella get back Corona Gaga. They won.
Thank you very much. So this one that go so far now. Here less than 2 days. Including in 2 days time, man.
Yes, boy, 1.5 day.
1.5 day.
1.5 day came with this here now 2 hectares.
That is you now rubber now.
1.5 day. Came with the 2 hectares. So and our target is 5 hectares, which is 100 plots. Company agreement. So
for me,
has more team.
Plots.
So farmers team. So I can by the time I know so they will.
Okay. Sister, ask this one they better they wanna have the first.
I'm Mary Jane.
Mary Jane. Okay. Ogaya Naro declare 100 plots.
Yes.
You also paid for
100 plots.
Wonderful.
So I'm Mary Jane. So I'm a member of this great company called Pamax. So this is my box. I met him in Zion, although I'm into real estate for over 4 years before I met him.
Okay.
So when I met him in Zion, so he introduced me about his company and he used me as a brand ambassador. In fact, and since I started working with him, and Mere they are like go back to back. You understand? So not because he's not the only source of my income. The source of my income, let me tell you the truth, is because of that Zion. Since I joined that Zion, in fact, I cannot say that I'm a millionaire and I am okay and God has blessed me. That is why whatever I give to Zion ministry, it doesn't move me and it doesn't shake me. And there is a secret of my success. Each day I give 1, I receive 10.
Wonderful.
So I keep giving. So the reason why I came down here, I'm coming down from Lagos to come and see how the work is going on. Then after that come a lot of people. I'm being the one advertising, calling people to come, and my boss has been doing that too. So right now, step that I came, I have like 3 people who want to send their about like 3 million to my account from tomorrow for them to also clear their own land. Wow. So my duty here is to, in fact, if you leave me at this point now, I don't want to go back to Lagos. I want this work to be well done. Imagine a 1.5 day we have cleared such land. I'm like extra 1 week. I think everything will be fine.